Hey everybody, it's Dave Fisher. We're actually going to go live today. We're actually going to record first, but then we'll put it on my Facebook page. So I'm here with a bunch of the mentors and stuff. This is a member from Dallas, and he's going to be buying this property. So I want him to tell you a little bit about the property. First off, give him the address, give him what you paid for the property, just so they get an idea.
It's 2735 East Houston Street in San Antonio, about 4 hours away from my house. I paid $73,000 for it.
So he's from Dallas, buying it at a distance, getting over fear in the middle of coronavirus. We don't care. We're here to make money. So you're going to use hard money on this property.
Yes.
Okay, you're working with one of the vendors up in Dallas. What vendor are you using on the hard money side?
Noble Mortgage, Johnny
Okay.
Hines.
Okay, so he's using a hard money lender. Now, hard money lender will lend him 70% of value. What's the ARV on this property?
$210,000.
So they're going to lend you about 145.
Yes.
So you're buying it for 73. How much do you think you'll put into it?
About 70 in rehab.
So 70 plus 73 is 143. They're going to give him 145. How much out of pocket is this deal going to be? Zero out of pocket. Now, how much equity are you going to be ending up with on this property?
About 50,000.
About 50,000. So guess where this deal was shown originally? In my 2-day seminar. Those of you who were on the live stream about a month ago, I showed this deal. Nobody bought it. So what happened? I thought somebody bought it, so I didn't buy it. So what happened? All of a sudden, one of our agents sent out an email blast, correct?
That's correct.
Which agent was that?
It was Greg Combs.
Greg Combs, out of our Austin office. He actually emailed this deal out. He responded. We don't compete with lifestyles. He gets a deal, zero out of pocket. All you people shouldn't have been scared. Could have had this opportunity. Now, this is an ugly property. I wouldn't want a first timer to do this. How many houses have you done?
3.
So he's already done 3, so he has experience, but this will be his biggest fixer-upper yet. This is a girl that talked back twice and has 2 black eyes. So we're going to go in here, we're going to give you a quick tour, and I'm going to have some of the other mentors explain what they see in the property as well. I brought out the whole crew here. He's from Dallas. I said, what the hell, it's coronavirus. We'll practice this social distancing, make sure we take care of people, because some people got to be out there and live the lifestyle and earn money and make things happen for the rest of y'all. So come with me. All right, folks. What's up? So, first person I want to bring up is actually one of the vendors. I'm going to bring up Robbie. Robbie, tell them what you do and what's in your company.
Name of the company is Subventures LLC. We do a lot of the foundation work for a lot of the members at Lifestyles Unlimited. This deal in particular is a pretty large job. We're going to be doing 30 piers, about 70 feet of beam. You can see that some of these, even right here, you see that the beam is just collapsed basically, but it's not a problem. A lot of people get scared with foundation work. It's not that bad. It really isn't. You know, if there's any consulting or anything, you could give me a call. Because a lot of people get scared of this, but it's not that bad. And we gave the member a great price for this.
Okay.
You know, our number, you could reach us, is on the list. I can't remember right off the top of my head. Yeah.
So another cool thing about this, when he puts in all new beams, he's going to put concrete piers. Originally it has wood piers, so it'll be much sturdier, much better quality. And because it's such a mass fixer-upper, I believe some of the lowest points is off 5 inches. So it's going to be a pretty big movement on this. Now, one thing we love is we're going to go in this next room. I'm going to bring some of my mentors with me. You know about this, Robert? So, this is our multifamily mentor. This is Robert Hale. He's an Aggie, so he'll talk slower for y'all. Okay? What kind of floors do we have? What's good about this property?
So this property, obviously, it has some different floor covering over it, but whenever it gets ripped up, you can see that the hardwood floors are here. So this is a really nice set of hardwood floors. They're in very good condition. Probably not going to take a lot to get these back into good shape.
Okay, so we're just going to restore the hardwood floors throughout the whole property. Even in this front room with these ugly parquet floors, these will pull up, as you can see, and underneath all this is hardwood floors too. He'll be able to restore all that, okay? So, next we're going to talk about the bathrooms really quick, just to give you a rough idea. What does it cost to redo a bathroom? Well, I'm going to have Vito. He's another one of our challenge members. He's going to explain what it costs. What is the price that we teach?
This size about $2,500.
$2,500. Everything will look new the way I teach it, and it'll be a brand new bathroom. And we got to do 2 of those, so that's going to be a little bit of money there. Okay, but it has good bones, even though some people think this is ugly as crap. You look at this other room, the same thing. What's underneath all this 1940 stuff? No? Look at that flooring underneath. It looks brand new when you pull it up, you know? So you never know what you're finding, right? that looks like a brand new floor underneath here. See, now Todd's all excited, you know, he's, you know, so let's go through the morning. Obviously though, on this kitchen, what are we gonna do? We're gonna have to gut this whole kitchen. But it has a good floor plan, but we're gonna have to gut it, make it new, do that. But this is a 2-story. Now 2 stories are scary for a lot of people. Let's go up and look at the second floor.
Hey, what about these outlets?
Oh, okay, Joey wants to point, Joey knows. Joey, this is Joey Sullivan.
Yo,
He's
yo.
our single family mentor. He brought along,
this is
$1 million gun during coronavirus. What is the,
Toilet paper spit wad gun. Yeah, it's not working.
that's okay, nobody
That's
got
right,
that.
that's right.
So yeah, that's a shit stain gun, I don't know what that
Yes,
is.
yes, worth a
So,
lot.
what's wrong with this
Come on
down
in.
here, Joey? You
Hey,
pointed this
look
out
at
when
this.
we
Do you
walked
think
in.
we'll get a FHA loan with the outlet that low to the ground? I
No.
don't think so.
What else is wrong
Well,
with
we
it?
got to go up. It's not grounded. You can tell because there's only 2 holes right there. You need a third one for the ground. It's also got to be at least 14 inches above the ground.
Okay, so that's something we're gonna look at.
there's
I just want to
some
take a quick
issue.
tour on the second floor real quick, because this is a 2-story.
Good bones.
Yeah, if you look at all, even these steps, they're all hardwood underneath. All they did was did what? They carpeted all of it. So when you pulled up all this carpet, it's beautiful underneath. Now, where else can you see a beautiful vintage pea snot green bathroom? Look at this beauty. I just love green bathrooms. It's all that in a dime sack. And I'm fat. Okay, let's get back up here. Whew. Now look at these bedrooms. What's great? All hardwood floors. Now there's one more thing I want to point out on this property. In this ceiling up here, okay? You see this ugly stuff? Well, what's underneath here if we pull this down? I won't get hurt.
Can you?
Joey, jump up there and pull that
No,
down.
what?
Show them
You
the
think
paper.
White men can't.
You don't mind us wrecking your property, do you?
Go ahead.
We're doing this for teaching reasons. Okay? Can you get up there,
I
Joey?
can hold my gun, man.
Oh, lean on me or something.
Come on. Come on.
This is hands-on mentoring. Just pull that paper off.
What is this cloth under here?
Hey,
When
use
was this
that.
thing built? Whoa! Look at this treasure.
So this is called shiplap. We're going to restore that, make it look into a beautiful ceiling. I'll show you guys pictures in the comments below of other properties where I've done that, restored it. This ARV on this house is over 200K, so you want those original hardwood looks. We'll do more videos throughout the day. Hope you have a great time. Love meeting a Dallas member who was surprised that I reached out to him on Facebook saying I'll help him out a little bit. And we've been talking back and forth forever. Now, normally he wears a cowboy hat, so I'm a little offended you don't have it on today, but just so you know. So, really quick, for other members that are in Dallas or Houston and want to buy in San Antonio or California, how did you get over your fear to buy out of your area? What made it do it for you?
Just do it. The numbers.
The numbers told the
say it
story.
all.
So even if the worst case scenario, I know you guys are so worried about coronavirus. Even if the world went to hell in a handbasket tomorrow, he had to sell this after he fixed it up. How much money are you going to make around?
About 50 grand.
50 grand. So even if he sold it after he fixed it up for 50 grand, worst case scenario with 0 out of pocket. Rule number 1, never lose money. Have a good day.